A sea angel, no bigger than your little finger. It's eaten little for months. Its empty stomach glows orange. And there are other hungry arrivals. A sea butterfly, a snail with wings. Both angel and butterfly are blind, but each monitors minute changes in the water as they search for a meal. This angel has a devilish side. Its mouth parts invert to form a deadly trap of tentacles, from which there is little chance of escape. With a stomach full of prey, this angel has lost its glow, but not its appetite. It feasts while it can. Both predator and prey will soon return to the depths.